Hello viewers, in this video I'll be explaining you on how to simulate raindrops using matplotlib. Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on more videos related to Python and data science and also on animations using matplotlib. Rain is actually water droplets that get scattered all over the place. So we'll be using a scattered plot to simulate raindrops. This is a very basic example of a scattered plot where I have two arrays x and y, and I'm calling the scatter method here to scatter the values across x and y. In the same scatter method, I can define a color attribute that is used to change the color of the plots. This is the output of the scatter plot, and you can see that the plots are in blue color because I have defined the color to be in blue. We can also define the size of the plot by passing a value as a third argument in the scatter method. So here I have given 400, which actually indicates the size of each and every scatter along the x and the y coordinates. In this example which I showed you, we had an array with defined values. So to simulate the raindrops, we'll have to make use of random values to simulate rain in different parts of the figure. Let's check how we can use function animation in our Python code. So first of all, we need to know what a function animation is. So in general, for any animation to happen, we need to repeatedly call a set of instructions. So function is something that will contain a set of instructions and we can invoke that function n number of times. Animation is a base class in matplotlib library which contains various subclasses that helps in animation. So from matplotlib.animation, we are going to import function animation to make use of that method. The figure function in matplotlib library is used to create a new figure. To simulate the raindrops, we need an object to store the rain data. Rain_drops is an object that is created by using np.zeros. So this zeros method is going to return a new array of given shape filled with zeros, and the shape here is 50. And to generate the random positions, we make use of the uniform method, which is going to generate random floating point values between the specified limits or boundaries. And in this example, the uniform method is going to generate random values between 0 and 1. We are calling the scatter method to create the scatter plot with the coordinates or the positions from the raindrops object. For this automation, we are going to use a function named update, which is actually going to generate the new coordinates for the raindrops. So in this function animation, we are passing the figure name followed by the function name, which is update, which is to be repeatedly called for the animation. This function update executes based on the iterator, which is frm1. So it starts with 0 and it increments by 1. The random positions of the raindrops is received by using the uniform method, and the set offsets method is used to alter the position of the raindrop in a new coordinate. And here it is, raindrop simulation using matplotlib. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, which actually made use of the function animation to create this animation.